Personal websites. Hello, everyone. Have you ever wished you could devote a website to your hopes, interests, passions, or needs? Do you have something to share with the rest of the internet community and you simply want to test if it is important to others? But to do that is simply out of your present budget. That is exactly what Mobile First Personal Websites is here to offer to anyone with enough interest and the self-actualization to perform the effort to become a webmaster on your own. This system is here to provide a platform for the general public to avoid their ideas, hopes, and plans to the internet community without forcing any type of structure on the way their private websites are constructed. You build the website that feels right to you. As long as you stay within the terms of service, we'll host it for the rest of the internet community to enjoy. I spent 30 years looking for a platform I could understand and manipulate easily enough to be able to create and maintain websites completely on my own. The system must be able to create a website without having to code anything or rely on a developer to make a site that is clear in focus, flexible and maintainable by the owner, you a member of the general public, not an insider who understands the way to code and program a site. The platform has the most powerful foundation underpinning the ability to create anything that is presently possible in a traditional website design. However, the fact that the foundation is so cutting edge, it can, with the addition of a web designer and programmer, do anything the other more traditional websites can offer. The big difference, as far as the generalist public is concerned, is that the actual focus is not on the power of an upper shelf editor, but the fact that a full-featured, powerful, and interesting site can easily be created without needing any of that. The interfacer is simple, easy to navigate, and even or easy to operate to create a website, with yet need to get into the coding so many other sites absolutely require to succeed. You need on one of that, just the ability RTO fill out a few form fields and voila, you have a viable and powerful website that you understand, can maintain over team, and belongs strictly to you and your vision of an online presence. You don't have to make a website design that wins artistic merit awards. I assure you I have no interest in creating skew-walk types of designs. But if that is what you want to do, it is possible with a little effort and a deeper understanding of the platform as a whole. I have a red-green deficiency, so the importance of color is not as powerful for me as many others. I make sites that please me and sites that do what I need them to do, not with the concept of stunning the viewer, but providing the service that I want to provide to the user. Mobile First Personal websites allows me to do just that. I can create a digital business card for less than most paper card runs, cost that has unlimited usage. My website-based digital card offers all my services and products without having to pay anyone to do it. If my focus or product changes or gets an additional item, I can update the site myself without needing to wait for anyone else. The unique adaptive editor allows me to edit the card or any of my other websites on the fly. The editor is available anywhere I have access to a Chrome browser, on a laptop, or especially on my mobile phone. If you have a couple of hours to go through the video course that accompanies the Sandbox plan, anyone who can use a document or SpreeCAD Sheets program can easily become their own webmaster. The Sandbox plan provides a single-page, blank website for any new user to play with that allows you to learn how the interface actually works and how to navigate through the platform and editor. Once you have built a website to your specifications, it is automatically hosted live on the internet for anyone to access. The Sandbox plan has no time limitations. The site is also hosted without anti-time limitations. We hope you understand the power enough with a single limited website that you decide to sign up for one of the most economical website platforms available today. Sincerely, Steve Pond, founder, Mobile First Personal Websites.